Yeah, so we're following Miguel the farmer, and you can see his beautiful farm, one of the rivers down there. Just awesome, amazing. Mark. Top notch. It's a top notch day, isn't it, mate?
Any day, fishing's a lovely day. Good brown, guys, or good brown. We'll show you where this fellow was hooked shortly. He was well up under this log. I managed to get the nymph up under it. He's a lovely big brown. He's a lovely big brown. It's been quite a hard day, so if I can get this one to the net.
Yeah, I got busted off once.
I did get a smaller one before.
He's not ready yet, mate. Oh, don't let him go down there. Try and get him to this run here to the left.
Probably the best fish we've seen all day.
Yeah.
A little smaller in the water, so we can get him.
I think it's about 4.5.
Around the 7 pound mark.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The water's a little high, so it has made things a little difficult, but
Yeah, matey.
that's how it's done.
Little brownie in pristine condition in the pristine wilderness of New Zealand. Where you go, boy? Girl? It's a girl.
It's a girl, hen.
Yeah. Sweet. Thank you. Next time, bigger.
I'm trying to catch up to Peter here. He had a lovely brown come and take his dry. It was a superb take, and Peter, he's just sprinted downstream here. Look at where we are. From way up there all the way down here. I'm hoping Pete's going to stop shortly. And here he is. Here he is. He's working his blade nicely. Whew, that's hard work. Can I net him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We found Brownie, beautiful spot. It took me for a run, I think about 200 meters, and away she goes. Probably a bit knackered, but she's good. There you go, buddy. Woohoo! Thanks. Yeah, Mark looked up and now it's his turn to run downstream. Yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna try and follow him and try and have the action all ready for you. Oh yeah, good brown.
Brown.
Woo!
Real brown.
Oh yeah.
Well, after a good hour or so, this guy was sort of cruising a bit of a pool, sort of cut back on itself. He was cruising up near the surface and
Oh, it's a nice one.
cast in the right place. It's a lovely brown. Limps on his nose there. Lovely.
Yeah, mate, top notch.
Top notch. That was awesome.
Good.
Lovely fat 3-pound hen. She is just super fat and fit. Had to get Pete to net this one for me. Took the nip. Sitting in a fast run there. Didn't like Pete's offering, but didn't mind mine.
Yeah, not interested in anything I have got today.
It's really Pete's fish. So thank you, Peter.
It's my problem.
You're a champ. And away she goes. Lovely.
And
Top notch.
top
Thank
notch.
you.
It's a beautiful night here, tonight here. Cannot say the location, unfortunately. This is our campsite in the background. This is Mark's ute and my Flash SUV. And now we're busy setting up the campsite here. I'm just looking for Mark. There he is. Hello, Mark.
Hello, I'm busy setting up the campsite, as you can see.
I
Cheers.
can see that. Is that all that you're going to do tonight? Have you got?
Possibly.
Have you invited for Jack? Okay,
Yeah. I'll light a fire and get Jack out later.
Okay, we got a massive barbecue with compliments from the warehouse, and this nice frying pan. Only $6. Can you believe it? There's a lot of cow poo around. You got to be careful where you step tonight, and if you go out for a whiz, Yeah, I still need to get my tent up, but my dear friend Mark, he only looks after himself, obviously. And look where that's his bed. So he's got everything set up there. And we got some firewood. We're going to get the fire started, and I don't know, I think I'll probably pitch my tent over there. What do you say, Mark?
Yeah, it's a good spot, I think.
So tell us, Mark, what happened today?
Today.
Yeah, everybody wants to know what happened today.
Well, we had high hopes. We thought the sun was going to come out. It never did.
No.
It was sort of rather gloomy all day, which you'll see
Yeah.
as we go on. But so, you know, we had high expectations. There's a rabbit running through here.
Did I miss it?
Yeah, I think he's,
okay.
he's well gone.
I missed it. But it's a beautiful night.
Yeah. But we ended up actually seeing quite a few fish, which was good. The river's a bit high, but clear. And
how many did you catch as the guide? Or no, the student? I'm the guide in this area. This is my turf.
Me being the student of this area, I got 5 and Peter got 2, ranging from 3 to 6.5 pound. We had a pretty good day, so
yeah,
it's always nice to get a few to the net.
Yeah, we're looking forward to tomorrow.
Tomorrow we're going to fish a slightly larger river, so I'm hoping it will drop so we can cross it. But, yeah, but right now I'm waiting for Peter to get the barbie on.
Yeah. What are we having tonight?
There'll be a lot of jealous viewers looking at that barbie.
Yeah.
What are we having tonight? Steak, beans, and
mashes. Mashes, hashes, hashes or mashes?
Oh, we might have hashies tonight. We'll see, or mash, or both.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, so we will catch up with you later, but this is our campsite. Okay, we got the fire going here, and our barbecue is all fired up. Gonna cook a steak, nice big fat rump steak, and Mark is somewhere there in the dark. What you doing, mate? What you doing?
I want to set your camera up to take an artsy photo.
And there we got the moon. Whatever you can see of it. But yeah, we'll go back to the... Oh, there you are.
Here I am.
Yeah. Ooh, so the steak is on the fire. Yeah, and we got another uninvited guest, I believe. There he is.
Look at Jack has turned up.
With?
With lots of stories and laughter, I suspect.
Okay, we got our boom box here, but that's dead because unfortunately you can't record and play music at the same time. But yeah, well, I'll probably have to turn over these beauties. So yeah, I gotta get going. Cheers. Good morning, Mark.
Morning, Pete.
Day 2.
Day 2.
The sun is out. Beautiful morning. And we had a good night, mate.
We did have a good night. Jack got involved.
Yeah,
and,
I wonder...
We're a little bit late getting away this morning. But
yeah.
where is Jack?
Oh yeah, we're trying to find him, but I think he's gone.
There he is.
Oh, there he is.
There he is.
What happened to him?
Well, I don't know.
Fell over. I think we spilled half of it.
Did we spill it?
Yeah, I think we did. Must have been spilled there. Right. Anyway, right. We just have to wash the dishes, but I think we'll do that when we get back. We're a bit behind time. And yeah, where are we going? No, we can't say.
Oh, we're going
to go up a river.
We'll fish the big river.
But we're going to walk, eh?
Which should have dropped a lot. And
walk a couple of hours.
Yeah, walk a couple of hours downstream and fish back and catch, I don't know, maybe 20 or 30 or 40 fish.
Yeah, but then we better get going.
Yes.
All right, we'll catch you later.
It's a bit high down there, eh?
I need to let down the rod. I need to get rid of the rod is what I need to do. Right. Now what?
You want to do it like that. Be careful, mate. Yeah, what happened?
So we're just walking down the river and doing a couple of small pools. There's actually 3 quite nice fish stuck in here, and I managed to catch this one. There's another 2 up there a bit further. So what I'm going to do is a 50-metre dash to the river and let it go. So hopefully it'll fatten up. It's 2.5 pound, but as you can see, it should be about 5 pounds. So I'm going to
Okay, go for it.
release him or her.
Go, 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 go.
This is another fish from the same pond, or same pool, so I just managed to net this one. As you can see, he's a bit thin.
With a net nymph.
With a net nymph, yes. So he's a bit thin.
Yeah.
Just on 4 pound. So as you can see, he should probably be more like 5.5 pound. So we'll go and put this one in the main river as well.
You want to hold it up quickly?
Yeah, I can.
I just want to see the shape of it. Can't see. Yeah. Oh yeah, and it's got knocked about a bit on the head.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lanky fish.
Yeah.
Well, put him in the big river, let him fatten up.
Right. Oh, I'm gonna,
Dash, mate.
I'm going to get fit doing this.
Another 50-metre dash.
Beautiful 3 pound brownie. Right. Oh. Okay, no. It's off. No. Oh, okay. It's alright, it's all sweet.
So that was the second one from this pool here, and
my bar.
and there's a good brown bar.
Good brown.
Good brown bar, and I just had one on and the hook pulled, and Pete said I'll have a couple of casts, and we had a double hook up there for a wee while.
Yeah.
Well done, Pete.
Well done.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just got a little brownie. Just put him away.
Quite feisty and fat.
Well conditioned. There we go. Good mate. Thanks, Mark.
All right, well, it's been a tough day on the big river today.
Tough day at the office.
We've had a lot of smaller guys, and this is one of the better fish of today. She's a lovely, fat, healthy.
Yeah, just hold it up and closer to the camera.
4 pound hen.
Yep. Oh, yep.
Look at that, she's in stunning condition.
Yeah.
And yeah, we weren't actually sure it was a fish, and we said, oh well, put a couple of casts over her. So we did, and just give her some oxygen, and second cast, yeah, took the nymph. Lovely brown.
Good brown.
Good brown. Good brown. Good brown.
Send him home. Her home.
Thank you. That's really made my day.
All good? Sweet.
So Peter's just had a lesson in river crossing. You know, never to underestimate the power of the water.
Yeah, but it was quite swift though.
It was swift.
This slide, look.
Yeah.
The slide is dry, the slide is all wet.
Yeah.
But it's nice and refreshing.
Yeah. It, So we just crossed here. As you can see, it's quite swift, but we wanted to fish a pool further up, so we had to cross here.
Yeah.
So
well, we're going to catch one right there. So.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
So
no,
yeah.
I have to. What do you
Yes.
mean? I'm looking like this. I got to swim for this place, so
Yeah.
that one's really comfortable. Thanks.
Okay, let's go get it then.
Yeah, sweet. Inviting the weakest for dinner.
Yeah. Well, they're having breakfast for dinner. They're having porridge for dinner. She's looking at me sideways. She's thinking, what's going on here?
Okay, so yeah, we got the second night back at base. Quite an interesting day. Mark will tell us in a couple of minutes what actually happened and what didn't happen. But yeah, gonna switch it around and then we'll talk to Mark. Okay, so we got the fire going. Mark has made sure we had got enough supply of wood for another week or so. Or what do I say, sir? You look a bit knackered.
I'm pretty buggered. Yeah, no, it was one of those days. We started off bush bashing for a while, and then we thought, oh, let's get down to the flats, and we had to slide down a log.
Yeah.
We ended up jumping off the log.
About 5 stories, I think.
Yeah, so
yeah,
I thought,
it was quite
instead
high.
of sliding down the log, I'll climb down the tree. Well, that was a disaster, but anyhow, we didn't break any bones. But we got down and found some fish trapped in a couple of pools as the river had gone down. So managed to get a couple of those as the chopper comes past.
Is that a chopper?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's a wee little one. Making a lot of noise. Luckily they're not going to interfere with us. We already fished for the day. Yeah.
Yeah.
So where were we?
Yeah, so yeah, we found those fish trapped in the pool. Hooked one on a nymph. The other one I managed to get out with the net.
With a net nymph, yeah.
With a net nymph. Very slabby fish. You'll see some footage of those.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we started fishing, I just first run started blind fishing that, hooked up straight away, virtually.
Yeah.
And then Peter says, "Oh, I might as well have a few casts too," and he did, and he hooked up as well. And unfortunately, the hook pulled on my one, but Pete got his one, 3 pound, I think it was.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Lovely fat fish.
Mm-hmm.
And we thought, oh great, we're going to have a good day, but the big river's quite high, so we couldn't cross it.
Yeah.
So we were stuck on one side, and we had to walk past a lot of good water because we just couldn't cross to fish it. But we still caught fish. We saw fish. We caught fish. A lot of small fish. So there's not a lot of footage of them. Towards the end of the day, I did get quite a nice hen.
Yeah.
Which you'll see as well at some stage.
Yeah.
And then to top things off, Pete decided he wanted to go for a swim while we did a river crossing of the river we fished yesterday.
Yeah, unfortunately we don't have footage of that.
It
was a nice swim.
Yeah, and then...
Bit cold though.
But after that, actually Pete, I spotted a fish in the pool, and Pete, first cast was right on the money, and you saw him just lean to one side, and we were hooked up, and that was a good fish, and it ran downstream, and unfortunately that one went ping, so
yeah, gone.
That pretty much finished off our day.
It sums our day up basically, yeah.
So now we're just going to
have a barbecue, lamb chops, hash browns. Have you still got some mash?
Yep.
And we're going to maybe have some sausages with it.
We can have whatever.
Yeah. But yeah, it was a tough day at the office, and I don't know about the weather tomorrow. They say it's going to rain, so we'll see.
Yeah.
And we won't go as big as what we had last night, because if you show us that where Jack sits right next to you. So unfortunately, Jack, he had a lot of lot to say last night, hey?
He
Mark?
did.
You did. So yeah, we'll just
Felt
take
the
it easy.
effects of it this morning.
We'll take it easy. Alright. Okay, cut for now. Now of the beautiful 6 lamb chops on the barbie.
Excuse me.
That is rank. Mate. Can we cut and do that over?
You can cut and do